I had a really long day today, and I got home quite late. It should be at about past 7 in the evening. I got home, I was so tired. I said, okay, let me just sit down. Thank God there is light. Let me sit down and relax. Trying to sit down. Then I got a call from Hobby saying he wants to eat potato porridge because we have lots of potato in the house. So I had to quickly change into something very easy and a little bit free so that I can prepare the potato porridge. Then I remembered I had to quickly reply a mail. I said, okay, let me just reply this mail. While I was doing that, my baby woke up and came to meet me. Children and their own wahala. Besides, my laptop wasn't even charged. I said, I beg. Let me drop this one first and attend to my baby. I was out for over 4 hours, so I know she has missed me. She has missed me so much. Today she's smiling. It's time to cook. Let's go and cook our potato porridge. The thing is, I have never cooked this food before, so I don't know. I'm just using the idea of yam porridge. Let me use the idea of yam porridge to cook it. You understand? That's the potato, so I'm even going bad. So let me just select like 4 or 5. That'll be enough for us. Oh, I forgot to say hello, guys. Welcome to day 3 of 30 days of creating random content. My name is Favor, in case you're just joining me for the first time. Please, I need you to know that this is a self-imposed content creation challenge. I aspire to be a social media manager or a visual assistant. So I'm just doing this to see how much constant content creation or consistent content creation, how much impact it will have in a social media platform. And I'm using my Facebook account to do this experiment. So you're very welcome to join me monitor this growth process. You can also join the challenge if you want. Please feel free. Being that my children are still very small, I do almost everything myself, though I have a small girl in the house. So it's time to arrange the clothes that I washed during the day. Arrange them, and I still have some unanswered mails, so I have to reply those DMs, reply those mails, and that's it. But my system is low, so I have to charge. In short, the motherhood is not... See small madam. Small madam wants to watch cartoon on my laptop. The laptop is down. Yes, my food is set. It's time to dish out for my children to eat before Oga will come and eat his own. So that's just it. Nothing much. This is just my normal evening. So see you in my next video. Bye. Have a wonderful day or night.